Ano ang sabi? Today, let's talk about an EV that's unlike any other. This is on a league of its own. Ang lupit po nito. This is the Zeekr 7X. Let's go.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep.
Kung di pa po kayo nagsasubscribe sa channel ko, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Siguro ito lang yung sasakyan na nanlaki ang mga mata ko habang binivideohan ko. I was speechless most of the time. I was just there seeing and enjoying the moment. Siguro iba talaga pakiramdam mo pag alam mo na di basta-basta ang kotse na binivideohan mo. It is completely a different experience. Well, talking about how different the experience was, kasi in a way, it is special when you know that it is a vehicle that not a normal person can easily buy. Kahit yung normal person na that is already well off. Because you can only buy this car if money is completely not an issue. It's not one of those deciding factors for you to buy or not to buy a car. Ganun po siyang level ng sasakyan. It's really for luxury. Well, all around, there's a lot to talk about this vehicle, but it's just really an amazing one. Kasi isipin nyo na lang, just to get started, it's an electric SUV that charges faster than most people can buy coffee. Accelerates like a supercar, as in sobrang lupit po niya, and it pampers you like a first class lounge, parang pumasok ka sa isang 5-star hotel, and it does all of this under the radar. So ibig sabihin tahimik, as in low key lang siya, tahimik lang siya, wala siyang kailangan patunayan. And mainly it's a luxury SUV built not to impress everyone, but to impress only the right people. Ganun po ang datingan niya. It's a mid-size premium electric SUV. Designed po to sa Gothenburg, Sweden by the same people that does the design for Audi, Bentley, and Volvo. Pero make no mistake po, hindi po siya copycat lang. This is what happens when European design discipline meets next generation EV technology, that legacy brands are still trying to catch up. It's way ahead of its competitors. It's positioned directly against cars like the Tesla Model Y, Audi Q8 e-tron, the BMW iX3. Pag-usapan po natin in numbers because this luxury EV doesn't whisper performance. Ina-announce po niya 0 to 100 kilometers in as little as 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 100 kilometers an hour na. Ganun pong kalupit. Up to 585 kilowatts. This one right here is more than 500 horsepower. Ito po yung a notch lower than the top of the line model. Meron po siyang rear wheel drive for balance and all wheel drive for authority. That means ito pong family friendly SUV na to can out accelerate many sports car. Totoo po yan, and it can do it effortlessly, silently, walang drama. But performance isn't just about speed para sa SUV na to. It's instant torque, confidence at highway speeds, and relentless stability kahit na fully loaded po. This is the kind of power that feels controlled and mature. Ito talaga yung mapapawaw kayo ng sobra kasi it runs on an 800 to 900 volt electrical architecture, yung po tawag nila. In real world terms, it charges 10 to 80% in as little as 10 minutes. Hundreds of kilometers kaagad ang madadagdag during that very short time na huminto ka at nag-charge. And if you think about it, this doesn't just reduce range anxiety, it removes it entirely. So you don't need to plan your life around charging. If you have an EV on this one, charging adapts to you. So for people with money, alam nyo naman, time is priceless. Time is the real luxury. And this SUV was designed exactly for that, not to take away your important time. And when you look around it, it doesn't overwhelm you with gimmicks. It just gives you technology that disappears when you don't need it. It has a Snapdragon 8925 cockpit computer, massive center display, digital instrument cluster, a wide augmented reality heads-up display. Everything is fast, fluid, and immediate. Interior niya, it's like I'm just speechless. Wala akong masabi. Sobrang ganda. Everywhere you look, it's just craftsmanship at talagang soft materials. Sunroof, there's a lot to be discovered on this vehicle. It has over 30 sensors, AI-grade processing. So the driver is provided with advanced highway and urban assist, pero not to replace it, but mainly to reduce fatigue. Ito po yung technology for people who value mental space. At dito nga po sa interior, this is where it really reveals itself. You got Nappa leather options, heated, ventilated, and massaging seats. Wow! It's a cabin mainly designed to feel more like a modern penthouse than a gadget. Ganun po ang dating niya. The rear seats po, they recline, the lighting is subtle, the cabin is super quiet. Pagpasok ko po dito, kita naman yung kanyang bintana, it's frameless. Bukas na po yung aircon. Ala po kayo maririnig na parang may umaandar na aircon or what. All around, basta malamig lang po siya. Mapapawaw po talaga kayo. You don't buy a car like this to show off mainly. And for people who will appreciate this car, they will not buy it like to show off. They will buy it because after a long day, they know they deserve to be in a car like this. The Zeekr 7X, it's not for everyone. It's mainly for people that value intelligence over logos or brands, performance without noise, luxury without shouting. Mostly talaga magkakagusto dito yung mga successful professionals, entrepreneurs, tech-forward people, EV owners na gusto na mag-upgrade from mainstream brands. Ito po yung mga tao na who don't need validation, they just appreciate excellence. If pricing isn't your biggest concern, this is where this EV makes a lot of sense because una, faster charging than most luxury EVs. Pangalawa, more computing powered ang kanyang computer system. Number 3, comfort that rivals flagship SUVs. And number 4, performance that embarrasses sports sedans. Patulinan lang po, acceleration, ala pong uubra dito. And most importantly, it gives you something rare today. Ano po yun? Exclusivity without arrogance. Kasi hindi po kayo basta makakita nito at every stoplight. And that's exactly the point. And I like that point. At ngayon, sa pricing po, it has 4 trims. Ito po ang kanilang mga pricing. At kung interesado po kayo sa Zeekr 7X, pasyal lang po kayo dito sa Zeekr, sa kanilang dealership along dito po sa C5. Right across Silver City, Tiendesitas, makikita po ang kanilang dealership. Sa pagtatapos, this luxury EV isn't trying to replace the Tesla, BMW, or Audi. No, it's mainly for people who've already moved past comparisons. Hindi na mahalaga sa kanila yan. Wala na silang pakialam sa mga sasabihin ng ibang tao. They are looking for something else, and that is excellence. So if you want the future, polished, powerful, and quietly confident, this might be the smartest luxury EV purchase you can make. Yun nga sabi ko, it's quietly superior. Ito po ang Zeekr 7X. If you found some value in this video, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Drive safe, and I'll see you on the next one.